Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can generate free QR codes using Google Sheets. Maybe you want to create QR codes to online forms, your website, blog, product pages, or other online destinations. You can do that with a QR code. And using Google Sheets and the free image charts API, you can do this in just a few clicks. Now, if you like, you can grab my free Google Sheets QR code generator, which I'll link down below in the description. However, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this yourself. Okay, so to create a free QR code using Google Sheets, simply open up Google Sheets or access the template that I added down below, then simply click on a row. All we need to do is add this formula up here. Again, you'll find this in the description down below. Okay, so I'm going to add this formula to this row. Again, this is using the API image charts. If you'd like to see more information about this API, I will add the documentation down below in the description. Essentially, in the past, you had access to a Google Infographics API for generating QR codes. However, this is now being depreciated. So the free alternative that I'm showing you now is using the API image charts, which is highly reliable, deployed in data centers all around the world, and has sub-second response time. Again, I'll add more documentation if you're interested down below in the description. Now, all you need to do is replace this. As you can see, this is the website to my Sheetify CRM, my all-in-one Google Sheets CRM template. I'm going to delete this. So add the destination URL, including HTTPS, and then your online destination with www. And then your URL. Then simply hit enter. And just like that, the QR code has been generated. Then what we can do is make it larger by expanding these rows and columns, and I'm happy with that. Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users. You can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. And you can do the same with your other URLs to create your QR codes. Again, all you need to do is add this code and then replace this text here with your own URL, and that will generate your QR code. Then what you can do is simply copy and paste these QR codes into a different platform, or you can navigate up to File, then Download, and you can download these images as a PDF and simply click Export. And just like that, you now know how to create QR codes for free using Google Sheets. Now you might need to give permission to the API in order to generate these QR codes. So go ahead and do that, and then you'll be able to generate these QR codes using this free image charts API connection. And there we have it. If you have any questions about this process, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.